Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jason. Thanks for being here today.
Before we start, if you're new here, welcome. We're so happy you found us.
Yeah, and if you enjoy this lesson, please hit that like button. It really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe. We post new lessons every week to help you speak real, natural English.
All right, so today we want to talk about something really important, something that many English learners find hard.
Yeah, we're going to talk about feelings, how to talk about your feelings in English.
And also how to talk about yourself, your worries, your interests, things that matter to you.
And I know this can feel scary. Even in your own language, talking about feelings isn't always easy.
Exactly. And in English, it feels even harder. You think, what if I use the wrong word? What if I sound weird?
I get it, but here's the thing. You don't need perfect English to share how you feel.
That's so true. You just need simple words, clear words, and that's what we're going to show you today.
We'll teach you real phrases that people actually use every day.
Not textbook phrases, real ones.
So, if you're ready, let's start. Okay, Jason, let's start with the basics. How do you feel today?
I feel good. A bit tired, but good.
See, that's perfect. That's how people really talk. I feel good. I feel tired.
Right. You don't need fancy words, just simple ones.
Let's look at some basic feelings. You can say, I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel tired. I feel nervous. I feel stressed.
These are the most common ones, and you know what? Most conversations use these simple words.
Exactly. You don't need to say, I'm experiencing anxiety. You can just say, I feel nervous.
Or, I feel a bit anxious. That's also really common.
A bit anxious. I like that. It's gentle. It's not too heavy.
Yeah. And sometimes you don't feel great, but you're not sure exactly why. You can say, I'm not feeling great today.
Perfect. I'm not feeling great today. That's so useful.
Or you can say, I feel okay, I guess.
Oh, I love that one. I feel okay, I guess. It means maybe not great, but not terrible either.
Right. It's honest. It's real.
Let me give you another example. Imagine someone asks, How are you? You can say, I feel good. I feel okay. I'm a bit tired. Not great, to be honest.
Not great, to be honest. That's a really natural way to say it.
It is, and notice, all of these are short, simple, easy to say.
That's the key. Keep it simple.
Now, what if you feel more than one thing? Like you feel tired and stressed?
Good question. You can say, I feel tired and a bit stressed.
Or, I'm okay, but I've been stressed lately.
Lately is a great word. It means recently or these days.
Right, I've been stressed lately. That's so common in English.
Let's practice that. Repeat after me. I've been tired lately.
I've been stressed lately.
I've been feeling a bit down lately.
Down means sad. Not super sad, just not happy.
Yeah, it's a gentle word. I've been feeling a bit down.
These phrases are perfect for everyday conversations with friends, with coworkers, even with family.
And remember, you don't have to explain everything. Sometimes just saying, I feel tired is enough.
Exactly. Don't pressure yourself.
Okay, Sophia. Now let's talk about worries. Because sometimes we feel stressed or worried and we want to tell someone.
Right, but we don't want to sound dramatic. We just want to share.
Exactly. So, how do you do that in English?
Well, one really common phrase is, I've been feeling stressed lately.
We already said that one, but it's so useful.
It is. It's soft, it's not too much. It just tells someone, hey, I'm stressed.
Another one is, I have a lot on my mind.
Ah, I love that phrase. I have a lot on my mind.
It means you're thinking about many things, maybe worrying about them.
Right. It's a kind way to say, I'm worried without being too heavy.
You can also say, I've been thinking about this a lot.
That's good too. It shows something is on your mind.
Now, sometimes you want to share something, but you don't know how to start. You can say, I don't know how to explain this.
Yes, that's so helpful. I don't know how to explain this.
It tells the other person, I'm trying, just give me a moment.
And most people will be patient. They'll wait for you.
Another phrase, I just wanted to share this.
Perfect. I just wanted to share this. It's so simple and honest.
You're not asking for advice. You're not asking them to fix it. You're just sharing.
And that's okay. Sometimes we just need to talk.
Right. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're talking to a friend. You can say, Hey, I just wanted to share this. I've been feeling stressed lately. I have a lot on my mind.
That's beautiful. It's clear, it's real, and it's not too heavy.
Exactly. You're just being honest.
Now, what if someone asks, what's wrong, but you're not ready to talk about it?
Good question. You can say, I'm okay, just dealing with some stuff.
Just dealing with some stuff. That's perfect. It's polite, but it also says, I don't want to go into detail right now.
Right, and that's totally fine.
You can also say, I don't really want to talk about it right now.
Yes, that's honest. And most people will respect that.
Another one? It's hard to explain.
It's hard to explain. That's really common.
It means I'm not sure how to put this into words.
And again, people will understand.
The important thing is, you don't have to have all the words. You don't have to be perfect.
You just have to be honest. Even simple English is enough.
All right, Jason, let's switch topics a little. Let's talk about talking about yourself.
Oh, this is fun. Like your hobbies, your interests, things you like.
Exactly, because sometimes in conversations, people ask, what do you like to do? Or what are you into?
And that can feel hard in English, especially if your hobbies are unusual or personal.
Right, but again, simple English is fine.
Let's start with the basics. How do you talk about your hobbies?
Easy. You say, I like or I enjoy.
For example, I like drawing. I enjoy reading. I like cooking.
Simple, right?
Super simple. And you can add a little bit more, like, I like drawing. It helps me relax.
Oh, that's nice. It helps me relax. That adds personality.
You can also say, I'm into music.
I'm into is a really common phrase in English. It means I like or I'm interested in.
Right. I'm into photography. I'm into hiking.
What if you don't do something often? You can say, I don't do it much, but I enjoy it.
Perfect. For example, I like painting. I don't do it much, but I enjoy it.
That's honest. And it sounds natural.
Now, what if your hobby is something you don't usually talk about?
Good question. You can say, I don't talk about this much, but I really like.
For example, I don't talk about this much, but I really like writing poetry.
That's beautiful. It's honest, it's vulnerable, but it's also confident.
And you know what? Most people will appreciate that because it's real.
Exactly. People like it when you share something personal.
You can also say, not many people know this, but I love.
Oh, I like that. Not many people know this, but I love gardening.
It makes it feel special, like you're sharing a secret.
Now let's talk about dislikes. How do you say you don't like something?
Simple. I'm not really into, or It's not really my thing.
For example, I'm not really into sports. Cooking isn't really my thing.
Perfect. It's polite, it's honest, but not negative.
You can also say, I tried it, but it's not for me.
I tried running, but it's not for me.
That's great. It shows you gave it a chance.
Exactly. Now let's practice. Imagine someone asks you, what do you like to do in your free time?
You can answer, I like reading. It helps me relax. I'm into music. I don't play, but I love listening. I enjoy cooking. It's not fancy, but I like it.
All of those are perfect.
And notice they're all short, simple, personal.
That's the goal.
Okay, Jason, now let's talk about the other side. What if someone shares their feelings with you? How do you respond?
Great question, because listening is just as important as speaking.
Exactly. And you don't need fancy words to be a good listener.
The simplest response is, I understand.
I understand. That's powerful.
It tells the person, I hear you. I get it.
You can also say, that makes sense.
That makes sense. It means, I see why you feel that way.
Another one? Thanks for telling me.
Oh, I love that. Thanks for telling me. It shows appreciation.
Right. It tells the person, I'm glad you shared this with me.
You can also say, I'm glad you told me.
Same meaning. Both are beautiful.
Now, what if someone is going through something hard? You can say, I'm sorry you're going through this.
Perfect. I'm sorry you're going through this. It's kind, it's supportive.
You can also say, that sounds really hard.
That sounds really hard. Simple, but powerful.
And sometimes you don't have the right words. That's okay. You can just say, I don't know what to say, but I'm here for you.
Wow, that's honest and beautiful.
It is, because you're not pretending to have all the answers. You're just being present.
Another phrase, you're not alone.
You're not alone. That can mean so much to someone.
It really can.
Let's practice. Imagine your friend says, I've been feeling really stressed lately.
You can respond. I understand. That sounds hard. Thanks for telling me. I'm here if you need to talk.
All of those are perfect.
And remember, you don't have to fix their problem. You just have to listen.
Exactly. Just being there is enough.
One more phrase. Do you want to talk about it?
That's great. It gives them the choice.
Right. Maybe they do. Maybe they don't. But you're offering.
And that's what good friends do.
Okay, everyone. We've covered a lot today.
We have. Let's quickly review.
First, we talked about feelings, simple feelings like, I feel good. I feel tired. I've been stressed lately.
Then we talked about sharing worries. I have a lot on my mind. I just wanted to share this. It's hard to explain.
After that, we talked about hobbies and interests. I like drawing. I'm into music. I don't talk about this much, but
And finally, we talked about listening. I understand. Thanks for telling me. You're not alone.
all of these phrases are simple, real, and useful.
And here's the most important thing. You don't need perfect English to talk about your feelings.
You really don't. You just need to be honest.
English is about connection, not perfection.
Exactly. It's about sharing who you are, what you feel, what matters to you.
And even simple words can do that.
So don't be afraid. Don't wait until your English is good enough.
Your English is already enough.
Just speak. Just share. Just be yourself.
People will understand, and they'll appreciate your honesty.
So go ahead. Talk about your feelings. Talk about your interests. Talk about yourself.
In simple, clear English.
That's all you need.
Thanks so much for listening today, everyone.
We hope this helps you feel more confident.
And remember, you've got this.
Before you go, if you found this lesson helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really means a lot.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. We make new lessons like this every week.
Also, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us, what's one thing you enjoy doing in your free time?
Yeah, use the phrases we learned today, like I'm into or I like. Practice in the comments.
We read all your comments, and we love hearing from you.
Thanks again for being here.
See you next time.
Bye.